want to go too. Perform. Yay! Our food is here. We ordered their bestseller. Tom yum soup and beef kare-kare. And for our dessert, we try fried halo-halo. Let's eat, guys! So yummy po! Si Daddy and Ate po ang kumain po ng fried halo-halo. Ang nakarap po, it's like turon po. Halo-halo lamang po ang nasa loob. Thank you po sa Was Asian Restaurant. Then, napunta po kami sa Space Mall. After Space Mall, we go to Gacha. I gotcha! Guys, thanks for watching! I love you all! Stay safe and God bless! Oops, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye!